Everyone has been affected in some way by the COVID-19 pandemic, and that includes animals and staff at the Lexington Humane Society. Adoptions are still happening, but as LEX 18's Alex Valverde tells us, as we continue our coronavirus coverage this morning, there are challenges with a lack of volunteers and donations.
When businesses and organizations had to shut their doors to limit in-person traffic, that included the Lexington Humane Society. The satellite adoption center at the Hamburg PetSmart is still open, but the main adoption building has been closed to the public. And that also means no volunteers.
We have a base of over 300 volunteers. 100 of them or more are very active, and the animals love getting that extra TLC.
But Ashley Hammond says the animals are still getting plenty of care and attention. One way they make up for fewer visitors is by relying on their foster families.
We have about 80 animals in foster care. We have so many new foster families who came and they were knocking on our doors pretty much saying, hey, we want to help.
Hammond says there's also been a drastic decrease in animals that have come into the facility, which means a lower adoption rate than normal this time of year. But when there are adoptions, staff members make sure to follow safety guidelines.
Discussing adoption information with our adopters over the phone. We're allowing one individual at a time to come into the adoption facility.
Another challenge, Hammond says, is that monetary donations are down, which she did expect to happen during this time. But they're pushing through and look forward to when visitors can come back and see these four-legged friends again. In Lexington, Alex Valverde, LEX 18 News.